If you're teaching chemistry online, you may find that finding and formatting chemical equations can be very time-consuming with all those superscripts and subscripts. LaTeX makes it simpler, but to make it even simpler, what you can do is install the EquatIO extension into your browser. You might need to make an account and prove that you're a teacher, but it's worth it. It is free for teachers. Once you go through that process of getting this set up and getting that installed in your browser toolbar area, then you're going to have that available for you to capture equations from other locations. And it's very cool. So here's what I do. I go to the OpenStax page where you can access those free textbooks, and we're going to find our subject. We're going to scroll down to chemistry. I use the second edition one. We're going to click on View Online. And there's equations all throughout the book that you can capture. But if you want to just see a good smattering of example equations, I would go to chapter 4, which covers some stoichiometry stuff. And let's say I want to create a test or a quiz or an assignment, and I want to use this equation. I can even modify it if I want to. First, you want to click on the EquatIO button to make sure it's activated. And then you may need to reload your page. In this case, you'll see those light blue boxes around those various equations. EquatIO is running and it's recognizing those equations. So what you can do is click on the Capture Math camera icon. It'll do some thinking, and then it'll convert that into an equation that you can copy, which you can do by copying the LaTeX code. So copy that code, the LaTeX code, and then go to Canvas. You can't just paste it there. It'll look just like the code. What you should do is click on those three dots if you don't see the equation editor. And if it is not in advanced mode, you need to put it in advanced mode. So right here it says switch view to basic because I'm in advanced mode. So you want to make sure it's in advanced mode. If it is not in advanced mode, it just looks like this. And that's where it's like the click and drag or type one. You want to be able to put that code in. So click on advanced, paste the code, and then you can see the chemical equation come up. Click insert equation, and there you have it. You can use this equation, you can resize this equation, and if you want to edit this equation, you can click on edit equation, and you could change that from copper, for example, to zinc or whatever the situation is. Just make sure, of course, your chemical equation makes chemical sense, but that just shows you the flexibility of how you can use equations without having to worry about all the formatting.